Who's Indiana, Pennsylvania? Oh, it's WWG53.
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles east of Homer City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clymer, Cherry Tree, Glen Campbell, Commodore, Dixonville, and Yellow Creek State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Indiana, Pennsylvania. Weather Bulletin.